For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Your bathroom feels smaller than it should? This fixes that fast. If you want your bathroom to look cleaner, feel more open, and be easier to maintain, this 40-inch wall-mounted bathroom vanity is a smart upgrade. I've worked with floating vanities before, and the biggest difference you notice immediately is floor space. Once the vanity is off the ground, cleaning becomes quicker, and the room feels less crowded. Why this vanity actually works? The two soft-close drawers and door give you practical storage for daily items like toiletries and grooming tools. From my experience, soft-close hardware lasts longer and keeps cabinets aligned, even with everyday use. No slamming, no noise. The integrated 40-inch ceramic sink has a non-porous surface, which means fewer stains and easier cleaning. I've always preferred ceramic in bathrooms because it handles moisture better over time. The overflow hole adds extra protection during regular use. You also get a chrome faucet with hot and cold water control and a pop-up drain with a built-in strainer. That small strainer detail helps reduce clogs, which saves maintenance headaches later. Why people choose this design? The floating, wall-mounted setup saves space, keeps the floor clear, and fits modern bathrooms perfectly. Built with quality hardwood materials to resist humidity, this vanity balances everyday use, easy maintenance, and clean design. If you want a bathroom that feels open, organized, and modern without overthinking it, this 40-inch floating vanity gets the job done.